very heavy rain and storm. You can see from my house here. I will go outside in a little bit. We've been getting a lot of rain, I guess, well, since yesterday, but even before that, Southern California had been getting pretty good rain. So it really helps with our drought condition here. I'm gonna step outside. We are getting pretty good rain and wind. Today is January 20th. It's about, I guess, afternoon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're getting a lot of rain. It started since yesterday, and we continue the next few days. We expect some flood in some areas, but I just want to show, kind of light. Temperature is it's about 50 right now. You can see here. So you can see it's raining pretty good, a lot of wind. Well, we need the water, to help with the drought. It seems like this year we are getting more rain than usual, which is good. My backyard. I haven't turned on my sprinkler for like a month now. It's kind of flooding here. My basil, my kefalon. Well, it's been kind of wonderful. The only problem is that traffic gonna be kind of bad. So people have to watch out. Don't get into accidents and stay home if they can. If they can work from home, that would be great. Just stay off the roads. Well, happy rainy day from Southern California. More wind.